Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming firmware and app versions so you avoid incompatibility. This prevents lost settings mid-edit. Next, plug the controller into USB or a MIDI interface. Use a powered hub for unstable power. Once the device appears, select it in Midi Control Center to load its current preset. You're now in the live workspace. Don't skip backing up the existing bank before making changes because restoration will be faster if something goes wrong. You'll now edit parameters. Choose a bank, then a program and a page to place controls logically. Assign CC numbers and MIDI channels so external gear receives the right messages. Set ranges and scaling when a knob needs limited travel. Once done, add velocity curves, LFO modulation, or macro assignments to combine multiple CCs into one control for performance convenience. Make sure to test changes with your synth or DAW. As you go to verify mapping, when edits are complete, save to your device and export a backup file to your computer so you can recover quickly. Next, perform a sync and reboot to ensure the hardware stored the new bank. Then test preset recall across sessions to confirm persistence. If something fails, check the MIDI channel and CC conflicts first, then swap cables and try another USB port. If still broken, reload the factory bank from your backup and reapply your changes step by step to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.